So this strategy, I really like it a lot because like right now I'm driving for dollars, and I'm using my Digital Bandit sign, and it's, you know, basically as I'm looking at properties, I'm sending out my signal everywhere I go. So it's, you know, I don't know how else you can do this. Anytime I see a property, you know, I'm like killing two birds with one stone. And I think I saw a property there. So anyway, this is a Digital Bandit Signs, and it works. You can put this on any location, so it could be stationary in one location, just sending out a signal, or you can carry it with you on your keychain. Let me show you right now. I have it on my keychain, and I'll show you. Now, as you can see, I have it on my keychain, so it goes with me everywhere I drive. So I'm basically a mobile billboard, sending this signal. Everybody within 100 yards gets my signal, my Digital Bandit sign. So it's pretty cool. There's no other way to do this. This is a game changer.